Welcome to the Den, the Dark Entertainment Network. I'm the Gothic Rose, and this is the hot mess of Hollywood. Let me take this moment to reintroduce myself. I am the Gothic Rose, hostess of the Dark Entertainment Network. This is a channel where the news meets conspiracy theories and makes babies in my brain, and it comes out my mouth. I do this because I enjoy it. If you like this type of content, please follow along, because I'm not going to stop. Welcome back, fiends of the Den. Today we are talking on this hot mess of Hollywood, how Jenny Slate is now involved in the Blake Lively It Ends With Us drama. Let's talk also about Jay-Z and Tony Buzbee, and turns out it's not that hard. Diddy's lawyer did quit him. So Jenny Slate has entered the picture officially, but what I would love to direct you over to, and I will link it in the comments, is the episode of Flossom Talk where she spoke with the gentleman from Ask Two Lawyers, and they really broke down this amended lawsuit. So if you want some real good legal ears and eyes on it, check out Flossom Talk. So, according to a very credible source, The Hollywood Reporter, who also did that incredible number on Meghan Markle and Harry, they are covering Jenny Slate's involvement in this whole controversy. So, according to the report, Jenny Slate filed a complaint after producer Jamie Heath allegedly made comments about motherhood that made her feel uncomfortable. Slate has been vocal in supporting her friend Blake Lively with the ongoing legal and public relations battle with Justin Baldoni. So what did he say about motherhood that made Jenny Slate so uncomfortable? So according to these reports, Jenny Slate was not happy with her lodging in New York. So she wanted to move, and Wayfarer said that they would pick up and reimburse her roughly $15,000 security deposit. So they put together a little contract, and she didn't like the wording because Heath's remarks were focused intensely on the sanctity of motherhood and Slate's role about a mother. That made her uneasy, but I don't understand how, if they're focusing on trying to help you as a mother feel comfortable in your surroundings and then pay back $15,000 so you don't lose a security deposit, so you can have your time in your movie and be with your children in an environment that you like. How is that really anything terrible against the sanctity of motherhood? That makes no sense. But it also makes sense if you think about it in terms of if there was any sort of harassment on set, Colleen Hoover gets her rights back. And maybe Jenny Slate is a little bit deeper into this than we think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So let's talk Jay-Z. I have said this before and I'll say it again. You have to keep his name out your mouth unless you can come with the receipts, and it appears Tony Buzbee did not, because Jay-Z recently filed a defamation lawsuit against Tony Buzbee, claiming that a now dismissed lawsuit cost him $20 million. And Jay-Z alleges that the timing of the lawsuit was meant to embarrass him during his daughter Blue Ivy's movie premiere, where a lot of people shamed that young woman for what she chose to wear on the red carpet. And they said that her parents let her do something they shouldn't have, and she looked beautiful, and everyone just please stop doing that to children and over-sexualizing them. It's gross on your part, not on their part. So let's get back to Tony Buzbee. He is a high-profile attorney known for representing several high-stakes lawsuits and their clients. Recently, he's been in the spotlight due to his involvement in multiple legal battles, including representing over 100 alleged victims of Sean Diddy Combs. One of his notable clients, the anonymous Jane Doe, who accused both Diddy and Jay-Z of assault during an MTV VMAs after party in 2000, but this lawsuit was dismissed by Jane Doe, but not before causing significant controversy and financial claims from Jay-Z because she could not corroborate her dates. So Busbee, of course, he has faced criticism and legal challenges himself, including accusations of unethical conduct from former clients and a defamation suit now from Jay-Z. But despite this, Busbee continues to represent his clients vigorously. I personally think he looks like an ambulance chaser, and if he is representing over 100 victims of Diddy's, I would get a new lawyer, ladies, because he is making all victims of domestic violence and all kinds of sexual assault and abuse really, really look bad. So let's just dump that guy. He's bad news. The moment we've all been waiting for because we've all been wondering if, at all, any of Diddy's lawyers were going to quit, and one of them quit. Haha! Anthony Rico has quit the defense team, stating he can no longer effectively serve as counsel. This comes just months before Diddy's trial on federal sex crimes charges. His trial is set for May of 2025. That's just a few months out, right when the good weather starts, and he will be on trial. Good. I am glad. So here's what happened. Anthony Rico recently filed a motion to withdraw from Diddy's defense team. In his affidavit, Rico stated, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs," and he did not provide any specific reason for his decision. So, of course, this development comes as Diddy faces multiple civil suits and a federal sexual abuse and racketeering case. So Rico's departure leaves Diddy with a reduced legal team as he prepares for his upcoming trial. So what do you think? Do you think that he's going to be able to replace Rico with another attorney, or do you think that he will just be down one member of his team? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for joining me for this fresh hell of Hollywood in the Den.